Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my currently page. I did one in October and I enjoyed doing so. So I'm going to be doing that for this month as well. So I started off by writing all my categories down and the stuff that I wanted to put in each category. And I'm going to go ahead and white out this notes part. And I'm really going to be pulling from the sticker book that Goldmine and Coco released last month, and that is going to be the main sticker book that I used. I'm going to be using the Sticker Doll Noelle here. I liked her sweater, that deep burgundy. I think that's really pretty. I'm going to start placing the different categories. I'm gonna use those today. Let's see where I want to put it first. Okay, that's basically the layout that I'm gonna have. So I'm gonna go ahead and write my categories. Okay, so now I'm going to fill it in with everything that I wrote on this list here. All right, guys, so here is the final look of my November currently page. I think it turned out really cute, and it was very simple this month. I kept it really simple, and then the addition of the Gold Mine and Cocoa stickers made it look even better. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Be sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and tell me down below, do you use your currently page? Are you going to start doing it? This is like my second month doing it in a row, and I actually really do like it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.